Hello, greetings to everyone. My name is Akanksha Ettagowdanahalli Srinivasa from Architecture Technology, Semester 3. Today I'm going to present this design of the semester, that is strip mall. Now let's look into the site plan and the location of the site. The site is located in one of the prime areas of Scarborough, that is Kingston Road. It is located in 700440 Kingston Road. The site has two major accessibility for the site, 401 Highway and Kingston Road. This makes the accessibility of the site very prime. To the northwest side of the site, there are single and double story residential houses. To the north side of the site, there is food joints such as McDonald's and Tim Hortons. The location of the site plays a very important role in the designing of the structure. Because of the presence of the Kingston Road and the 401 Highway, it makes a very prime visual connect with the site. The visual connection helps in people locating the site. The site and the building are divided into three different categories: Block A, Block B and Block C. The Block A and Block C and Block B is located towards the Kingston Road, which again gives a visual connect to the site. The main focus and the main idea behind this design was to have an axial connect with a single road that connects all three buildings, which helps them access parking, access road and make the accessibility easier. One of the main criteria was to have mixed use spaces. Foster a sense of community by incorporating mixed use spaces such as communal areas, spaces for events or outdoor gathering spots, and also enhancing the overall experience by encouraging social interaction. Designing a strip mall with an inside-out plan involves seamless integration of interior spaces with outdoor surrounding to create harmonious environment. The Block A is located exactly in front of the Kingston Road, which makes it easier for people to access. The road in the center with the axial connect has parking on either side of the road. The ground floor or the first floor of the Block A as retail blocks also has a restaurant that makes it easier as it is the center of the site, as it is located at the center of the site. Block B is restaurant and it also has an outdoor patio with seating area. Block C has retail blocks on the ground floor and has office spaces on the second floor. Same goes with Block A. Block A has retail floors on the first floor with a restaurant and has office spaces on the second floor with outdoor seating and landscaping. I've tried to have a sense of communal design here, enhancing the pathways and landscape and building an inside-out plan. Now let's look into the floor plan of Block A. The floor plan of Block A prioritizes the proposal zoning by strategically arranging retail services and dining spaces to optimize the visitors' flow and cater to the specific needs. Every retail store has a vestibule, has a longitudinal space that can be arranged however way possible according to their design aspects and can be done in a modular way, and also has a storage and a washroom. And the building has two exits according to the fire exit conditions, one on either end of the building. A centrally located community hub serves as a heart of the strip mall, fostering social interaction and creating a sense of community among the visitors. At the south end of the plan of the Block A, we have a restaurant. The restaurant includes kitchen, storage, and two washrooms, along with the loading dock to the end of the block, which has a connect with the road that is been put on the main entrance. The site and the building has two entrances. One is the main entrance, one is the secondary entrance. The main entrance is to Kingston Road and the secondary entrance is to the tertiary road. The another criteria in planning the floor plan was to have flexible spaces for innovation. Flexible spaces are incorporated to accommodation, innovative business models and emerging trends, providing dynamic environment that can adapt changing market demands. Here we look into the render and the floor plan of the block A. As you can see here, the elevation is minimalistic with minimalistic materials such as brick and concrete that keeps the whole building have a sense of one, so that the pathways, the landscape, the interaction spaces, the outdoor sitting area along with the building goes hand in hand. The floor plan integrates sustainable design concepts, emphasizing energy efficiency, lighting, ventilation system, and eco-friendly materials to align environmental consciousness. There was another strategy also that includes inclusive accessibility. Accessibility is a key focus with universally designed spaces and ensuring that all individuals, regardless of the ability, can navigate and enjoy the strip mall comfortably. Curation of local business. The floor plan is purposefully curated to feature the local business in outdoor spaces, even if they have to put up a kiosk that can be done with the landscape and the outdoor spaces that has been designed for them. The main criteria and the main thought behind the design was to have inside out, where the inside also feels like outside. For an example, if this person is sitting inside the restaurant or in the retail shop, can have a sense of outside, and can have a sense of landscape, can have a sense of people, what people are doing outside. Here in the elevation, you can see, like I explained, the elevation has minimalistic material that helps us have a hand in hand and harmonious elevation or facade with the landscape that's going on, that doesn't make it look much. Here you can see the view of block A. As you can see, the block A has a strip of landscape right in front of the block, along with the strip of main axial road that I explained about, that helps you as you get out of the building. You can see the parking right in front. It's an easy accessibility. There's a sense of inside out. There's a sense of having the outdoor space inside with minimalistic design. I've used a pattern of harmony, rhythm, and emphasis in this particular pattern. Now we can see the views of block B. The block B is a restaurant, like I mentioned, has an outdoor patio with seating arrangements along with a strip of landscape, planter boxes that helps people have interaction and have pockets of spaces where they can sit out and enjoy the whole scenic of the strip mall along with serving the purpose. As you can see, this is one of the views of the whole of the strip mall, where you can see planter boxes, where you can see sitting areas where people are sitting, where you can see parking, the entry, the loading deck. All the loading decks are facing the axial strip of road, which helps them access the loading dock easily. All the loading docks are faced towards the road. Now you can see the view of Block C. Block C has retail shops on the ground on the first floor and has office spaces on the first floor. Like you can see here, there is outdoor sitting area, there are communal spaces where people can sit. Even next to the parking, there is sitting area. If somebody wants to sit and do certain things, it can be done. All the elevation look the same, so that there is a sense of belongingness, there's a sense of oneness, and there is a sense of having a particular harmony throughout the design, along with landscaping. At the end, I would like to conclude my presentation by saying, as an architectural student, as an architectural graduate, I've always designed my designs on the basis of completely having an eye of design. But after I started to study architecture technology in Canada, I've understood having building code, building bylaws, and building technology is also one of the main criteria. The perspective at which I was designing has now changed to the amalgamation of both design and building technology, which is very important. This is one of the biggest lessons that I've learned this semester, and I would like to thank our lecturer for guiding us through and helping us learn through the way, from starting from not knowing Revit to making a wall to completing a strip mall. When I look back at the journey, it feels like I've learned a lot through technology, which will help me amalgamate both my design experience through technology. It was wonderful to work with the set of students that I had this semester. Thank you.